you walk into every room then and see it in the 6-point perspective?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, what's
Yeah.
that like?
Yeah. In fact, probably one of the things that I do that I really enjoy is famous interiors. And so it allows me to make some neat trips around the world and stuff, and did some like Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris and Saint-Chapelle, Saint-Denis, and then went to Istanbul and did the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, and went to England, did Stonehenge, and the Shakespeare's Globe Theatre in the round, and then a lot of local places in the Black Hills. I've done Saloon Number 10 in Deadwood, and I did a piece for the city of Deadwood that talks about early 1876 to 79 in Deadwood, what it looked like, and they handed over all of their old photographs to me so I could piece them together to try and recreate what that might look like. And I think I really nailed it. I think it looks good. So a lot of those famous places I go into, and I have a patent on a photographic process that helps me. If they'll let me set up my tripod, I shoot pictures off of a dodecahedron, which is 12 pentagons that go together into a sphere. And I shoot 12 pictures, and then I can piece it together and make it like a globular picture out of it. And that, when I get home, that way I don't have to do everything on the spot. I can look at the photographs and remember how it all fit together. Because, you can't remember the whole sphere thing. So those are some of the pieces that are really fun for me, because they're done by the greatest architects in the world to start with. The Pantheon in Rome, St. Peter's Cathedral. So I mean, all of those kinds of people create incredible buildings. So if you just even get close to it, you have a great art piece, So I've had a lot of fun with those. Those are.
Do you have a favorite piece? Do you have
the Pantheon in Rome is one of my favorites. I use it on all my cards and stuff. The president of Trinity College in New Hampshire ended up buying that, and it's in his office.